Welcome back to the Career Blueprint. If your job applications keep vanishing into a black hole, you're not alone, but you don't have to stay there. Let's fix that. Today, we're breaking down 6 proven strategies to make your resume and application impossible to ignore. Forget gimmicks. This is about smart, targeted moves that get you noticed. We'll cover tailoring your resume, networking, following up, and more, so you can finally stand out. By the end, you'll have a clear, actionable plan to get hiring managers to stop scrolling and pay attention. Grab a notebook and let's turn that black hole into a spotlight. It's time to get you hired. Really quickly before we get started, I'd like to say thanks for being here and remind you that we release new content frequently on this channel. So if you enjoy our videos, consider hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. It's free for you, and it helps us get more folks to see our videos. Okay, let's get started. Let's start with the number 1 mistake: sending the same resume everywhere. Customizing your resume and cover letter for each job isn't optional. It's essential. Think of the job description as your cheat sheet. Highlight keywords, skills, and qualifications they want. Mirror their language in your resume and cover letter. If they want project management software, make sure it's in your skills. This isn't just for the human reader. Most companies use applicant tracking systems that scan for those keywords. No keywords, no interview. Show you've read the description and connected your experience to their needs. Hiring managers spot generic applications instantly. It feels lazy and impersonal. Each company deserves a message tailored to them, just like you wouldn't send the same text to your mom and your boss. Take the extra time. It shows you care and gives you a real edge. Stop the copy-paste crime. Your career deserves better. Put in the effort and you'll see more callbacks. Remember, they can tell when you copy-paste. Don't let your application feel like a late-night "you up" text. You're better than that. Your career is better than that. Make every application count. Now, let's talk resume design. If it's cluttered or hard to read, it's headed straight to the no pile. Keep it clean and simple. Use a standard font, clear headings, and plenty of white space. Bullet points make your achievements easy to scan. Ditch the wall of text. Lose the outdated objective statement. Instead, start with a sharp, professional summary that highlights your top skills and wins. Stick to 1 page unless you have over 10 years of relevant experience. Focus on your most recent relevant roles. Skip the high school GPA and ancient summer jobs. Your resume is a marketing document, not a scrapbook. Use free modern templates from Canva or Google Docs to keep it professional. The format is your first impression. Make it count. Don't let bad design hide your talent. Show up polished on paper and in person. Let your experience shine. Your resume should sell your skills for this job, not tell your life story. Listing duties isn't enough. Show your impact with numbers. Quantify your achievements. Grew Instagram followers by 40% in 6 months, not just managed Instagram. Numbers prove your value and make your accomplishments real. For every bullet point, ask, can I add a percentage, dollar amount, or time saved? Even if you don't have exact figures, estimate honestly. Turn answered emails into resolved 50+ customer inquiries daily with 95% satisfaction. Every line should be a mini success story. Shift from listing tasks to showcasing results. This is how you stand out from the crowd. Be the candidate who achieved, not just the one who was responsible. Your online presence matters especially on LinkedIn. Assume every hiring manager will look you up. An incomplete or outdated profile is a red flag. Start with a clear, professional headshot. Ditch the blurry wedding crop. Your headline is prime real estate. Go beyond your job title. Data-driven marketing manager, SEO, and content strategy. Use keywords from your target roles. Write a first-person about section that tells your story and highlights your strengths. Mirror your resume in the experience section, but add links to projects or articles. Fill out your skills and get endorsements for credibility. Make your profile public and claim a custom URL. Put it on your resume. A polished LinkedIn is your digital resume, networking tool, and personal brand all in one. Don't neglect it. It works for you 24/7. Show you're engaged and serious about your career. Make it easy for employers to find and remember you. Your digital handshake is just as important as your paper one. Let LinkedIn open doors for you. Sometimes, the fastest way to the top of the pile is to skip it through networking and referrals. Referrals get your application seen faster and boost your chances of getting hired. Start with who you know. Use LinkedIn to find connections at your target companies. Reach out to first-degree connections for insights and, if it feels right, a referral. For second-degree connections, ask your mutual contact for an introduction. Networking isn't just asking for favors, it's building real relationships. Request informational interviews to learn about roles and companies. Don't ask for a job, ask for advice and stories. Stay in touch, share articles, congratulate milestones, and nurture connections. Make a list of 5 dream companies and connect with someone at each. Send a personalized message. Most people are happy to help. Networking is planting seeds for future opportunities. Don't just apply to jobs, apply to people. Relationships open doors that resumes can't. Start today. Your network is your secret weapon. You've applied. Now what? Don't just wait in silence. A well-timed professional follow-up can put your application back on the radar. Wait about a week after applying, or a few days after the deadline, before reaching out. Keep your email short and polite. Reiterate your interest, mention a key qualification, and ask about the hiring timeline. Example, hi name. I'm following up on my application for job title. I'm excited about the role and believe my experience in skill would be a great fit. Any updates on the process? One follow-up is enough. Don't bombard them. The goal is to remind them you exist, not demand an interview. Stay professional and positive. If you don't hear back, move on and focus on other opportunities. Persistence is good. Pestering is not. Following up shows you care and are proactive. It's a small step that can make a big difference. Don't let your application get lost. Give it a nudge. Then, keep moving forward. That's a wrap. You now have the tools to make your application stand out and get noticed. Remember, it's about being clear, relevant, and strategic, not flashy. Every application is a chance to tell your story and prove you're the right fit. Stay persistent, apply these tips, and be confident in your value. Subscribe for more job hunt tips and share your favorite resume power phrase in the comments. This is the Career Blueprint. See you next time, and happy job hunting.